Hello, guys. I'm Technical and Gaming BD. Today I show you how can you root your Android 10 phone without boot loop problem. First I show you my phone is not rooted. You can see that my phone not root. Now I show you who can you root your phone. First, go to recovery mode, then flash magisk.zip file and then flash permissive. After flash magisk and permissive file, then reboot your phone. The file's download link in the description box. Now I show you my phone is now rooted. You can see my phone is now rooted. Thanks for watching my video. The file download link in the description box. If you like my video, then give it like in this video. If you want tech and gaming videos, then subscribe to my channel.